Like it.
Okay. I want to thank you now when they subscribe to my YouTube channel. When I don't subscribe, when I they watch, God will bless you. So, may not come busy before I start. I know thank you. Now, make I also say me I first thank you. Now, when I know this because the way they do me today, I the verse. I want to ask you now one question. Now we're there for Africa. Now I do this video for not be really we will be say we dey Europe. In fact, it's still concerned we dey Europe. Why be say now we're there for Africa? They send that money want to do something for person. Now go dey eat am. You guys they do now for body or waiting. I don't really understand. It's the best me because who not supposed to make the trust fast. More of like we not feel the no be the transport for here to Africa. Go and come. Like me when I will get picking if I don't feel leave my pick, I'll carry and follow body. Me, my husband and my pick, you know how much for the flight. Okay, for also the waste time they go, they come, because say maybe they do something. We'll come trust to now with their house. Now can't they use our hand, you know, now can't they use the money. This is how they pick am. We not they pick am for year. I want put this video for the side now they see and say for almost past 3 days now snow now we dey for here. Isa having me this if I wear total neck. What make me even say put on because I want to do video. I know maybe say come be like see if me a person they fight for the video. Make I put this one. I go wear this one. I wear other ones but I can't wear big jacket on top. If I want come outside. As I sit there inside, so I know they don't put me where make I put this one wear singlet for inside. I see if I get hit up because I don't want to play with myself. Because they don't get community for you. If you get echo with body, you go back to Nigeria. If I won't come Nigeria, I won't go Africa by myself. If they give me the paper, I get the paper, I buy tickets, I will go. Maybe say I won't make sickness, pursue me go. You know, but now still now when I chop the person money, now they will come house. Now without stay, waiting pursue and come house. Since you do that, what you do. But I mean they eat the money. You know, some people are different, they swear for you now. I say go catch you now for body. Me not understand you now. We never be so even did that place safe. We were there, we still get trust for now. If we not gonna trust you now, go be our family. We not say we trust. More go trust. If now here say we they give our friends money, maybe they do something for us, or we, if sometimes they go for they disturb me say, see get waiting one happen, see waiting happen. No, get they give him boyfriend money, maybe that's why we say family day. Since the family they eating money, not gonna say me give him money. Maybe a boyfriend you trust and the boyfriend they do for that. Who not gonna say me give money? No respect on safe. We now when people say that be the family for inside. Pikin go travel, go abroad. You go reach up now, you go trust when they give you money, now go they eat am. Mona still they help us now. We not feel they go, they come, maybe they do something. And I think we should not do that happens now, feel help us. Now, if not someone do like that, come and tell us, we'll see they do like that too. We face they go since the money, since the money was supposed to give you, now we're gather and do transport, come down by ourselves. Money is supposed to give now we gather and do transport, come back, come still stay here. If the other one I want. We first see the save on ourselves now this is not the run us. If I run us, if the thing don't tire us. We'll come for that, we'll leave the things for now. Then we'll do by ourselves, we're not going to see one naira for our hand. Yes, so you know that one I want now tell person, make person know you want to say yes, just say yes, no, it's something I naturally want. So I'm not supposed to yourself for now want to do transport, they can't do the things by ourselves. If that's somebody like that, what they do, because I don't see any reason maybe say your family yourself, let me say no they give you money. If you know they give money, that one is different. If they do for you, you say they plug the money for you. If they do, maybe someone help and build that, someone help and if you build the only one stay. So if they build the house, now you want stay, not be here in there they do the money, not be that one stay for the house. What they make na what are they frustrate people efforts? Snow they fall for years and many days. The person that they work with, you no one know whether snow they fall because now their weather. You work more for your place, come in their weather for you, so you go adjust to the weather. You not concerned whether snow they fall. You say you know they used to. I say Africa, we know they used to snow. You go they used to that for you. You go come their work. If you not come their work, you stay for us. Yes. So I jacka myself finish. Now I use myself as example. I jacka myself finish. Jacka now come. Jacka with the work for you. Now if I see person they wear that kind of jacka for Nigeria, now they laugh and say, see this village they wear jacka. Because if you not wear them for a year, they'll carry with ambulance can't give them for us more treatment. We they wear them for you. They wear one. They wear to jacka ourselves. We go find money. Then they find the money finish can't give them and I go eat them. I will do some kind of video that they say people wey dey complain make dem still find one person dem go dey trust for house, because people dey complain say instead of make the person dey use their family, dem go dey use outsider. Since the outsider come dey go for them, make dem go dey use am. Since that one dey trust for inside, and since say make dem no trust una, no problem. Una go still hear am for body, because the money suppose to dey give una, they go dey give that outsider. The money wey be supposed to dey give the family member, you go dey give that outsider wey dey help am truly, because you don try your outsider, the outsider don the inside wey be say this inside person wey you try for inside, the person don put am for mouth. So the outsider wey you try wey be say yes, they really dey help am, you go put him. If na me, na wetin I go do? Na wetin I go do? Because I don't really understand this Europe. Una want to say anybody wey come Europe, money back, don't wait for her outside as they all right and say okay, don't enter Europe. They all keep money back. If you don't come, you don't carry you. Or until anybody wey dey Europe, he get tree way for the plug the money. If you don't reach Europe, they all carry and go that place. Say, see the tree for the plug money. Oh, guy, sister, auntie, I plug your own. Don't they plug money for year? Don't they plug am for year? Now because say our government for us, our government maybe say they take care of Nigeria, our president, you know they take care of us for them make. If no better, if they say me yes, the way Nigeria really be there, resources and everything, we better pass them for year for Europe. But this one where they get, they manage them till they put both their people and foreign and people where they come from that country, until they put them together. Okay, when we say come from that country, we come stay for our family now. We'll come fine, we'll go even now. Mama go use and take do meeting. Papa go use and take buy motor or bike. Sister go use and take marry. Brother go use and take marry till they carry guests. What do they do now? If they can't come, if na sick now run. Yes. If na sick now go run. Because maybe they carry on a con now. The carry na come for summertime. Even the summer for year na die. You know go feel evil. See the way they call on Europe, yes, now Europe. You see now, You see at the white this period. I don't need to rub cream. Are they okay? Because the cold way there, you don't really need cream. You go there okay. And if the summer come, as in what's the sun time, now with the consumer, we sun they shine. As in, I know I don't forget how they put on for Nigeria. Okay, heat time come. You saw this thing, so now you see some they post some girls say they wear pants, braids after they work out for street. Not be their fault. Even them, when we say they get here, they do like that, they naked. Imagine also be say we day here. What we say we not really know as the weather be, we can't meet her. Imagine say how we supposed to know even they wear clothes safe, but we see they manage ourselves because of where we from they cover ourselves. Raising the cold period, people when they get her, they wear like 6 clothes, can't wear big jacket on top. Can't reason we will be say we not really come, we not be here for bonus. They carry us come. We come from Nigeria, come meet them. Reason how we could they do? I mean, would they wear 10 clothes with 2 jackets? That kind of one, a person will come and take go work because so you don't know whether you come because you don't come for your place. They give you work, you work out whether cold there or whether heat there. They don't want to hear whether you they feel cool or you they feel heat. You will come work. Because if you don't come, you will stay your ass. And if you stay at, nobody go they pay your rent. And if you say nobody they pay your rent, you know they see they give your people, but they say they go they cost you say what they do for Europe. Because of una they also tight. We'll see back na one airport to something, but say they give una something. Now say they for our hand. May I tell you, anybody will be say he can't ask, can't they craze, can't keep person say give her money, you want to do something, can't. I no blame her because me they this will be say me they not safe. People when they will see the worst and they cry, me they cry. People say people when they on that side, they say my own are small. But be say most like 3 to 4 days, now rain they fall, snow they fall, rain they fall, no stopping, cold day. With this ass. Rain way for yesterday, they say more lock. They say there's no message run. They beg us say more no come outside, more day inside because yesterday rain good. They very worst. Nobody go outside because they don't say yes. Nobody even go work. But still people they go work, so they don't work. They say because they say yes, it they very bad. More no come outside. But inside that place, some people still the way they go outside go work. What kind of person come money for you? Say you don't go use that for them. If you swear for you, go cash you. If you also know if you do something for a person, you don't collect money for that. But I don't get the time to do that thing for you. They don't say make you know it to eat for inside, but do for that person. It's very, very important for them. At least you will not say you get person. Now thank you. Now we see I bring comfort now be this one. Now bye bye.